Hello, good morning, Ma'am Ellen. Just want to say thank you. Thank you for everything, for the support, for being very patient na alam ko kahit na gusto mo nang magalit, but you always keep your cool. Thank you for being very gentle, and I remember pumunta akong head office nung first time kong mag-training. You were so accommodating and welcoming, and yun po yung hindi ko makakalimutan about you. So, good luck and thank you, and I will say goodbye. Instead, I'll see you soon, Ma'am Ellen.
Hello, Ellen. First, gusto ko sabihin na thank you for being a wonderful and good boss sa amin. I may have known you for a very short period of time, pero nakita ko naman sobrang bait mo talaga bilang tao at bilang kaibigan. Hindi ka lang naging boss namin, naging kaibigan ka rin namin. Nashock talaga ako nung malaman ko nga alis ka na, tsaka nalungkot ako. At ang masasabi ko lang, stay healthy, and then stay humble, stay simple. Sana wala pa rin magbago. Mamimiss ka namin. Kasi sobrang hirap maghanap ng boss na mabait at makulit at sobrang sweet. Yun. I-pray ko na sana good health ka parate at maging successful ka sa buhay mo. Yun lang. Mamimiss ka talaga natin. Bye-bye!
Hindi ako prepared sa video clip. Pero my background music. Ang daya mo, nauna ka pa sa akin. But anyway, I wish you happiness, I wish you good health, and I wish you wealth on your next journey. Thank you for being a good boss, very understanding and kind. And God bless and good luck. See you around and kita tayo sa Bacolod. Dito, pasyal ka. Bye!
Ellen, we will miss you and see you around. Hope that you'll never forget your provincial team, and good luck on your new journey. Bye.
Ano ulit sasabihin natin?
Kung na.
Ma'am Ellen, thank you po sa opportunity binigay niyo sa amin. Hi ma'am, thank you po sa lahat.
Hi ma'am, thank you po sa lahat.
Hi ma'am, thank you din sa lahat.
Hey, Ma'am Ellen, thank you po sa opportunity maka-work kayo. Enjoy naman po nung naging under kami sa inyo. Thank you po sa patience at see you around po. Sana makapag-inuman ulit tayo. Amen.